The W, the O, the R, the K. The W, the O, the R, the K. Look yourself in the face. Look yourself in the mirror. Ask yourself, are you giving 120% every day? Every play? Give me 120 or don't give me nothing at all. The guy you competing against, you haven't outworked him. You've not outworked the person next to you. You've not out-hustled them. You've not out-grind them. You've not outdone them. You're not locked in. Bring all your passion. Bring heart. Every single game, every single play. Put forth 120% or don't ask nobody to do nothing to you. The W, the O, the R, the K. The W, the O.
What is up? What is going on, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Friday, baby. It is Friday, man. Selmo, what is good with you? Good morning, man. Good morning, brother. Good morning. How are you? Seiko, good morning to you as well, man. We up, we grinding, we 120 all day, every day, man. It is Friday. We are on it, baby. What is good? TGIF. What is up, Doc? What's up? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Tim Shea is up early in the building today. What is up, Tim? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you, brother. Glad to see you up and at it this morning, Tim. Good morning. See everybody just saying hi to each other, hanging out, man. It's Friday. We got some stuff going on. Got some news today. Not terribly a lot of news going on in the cryptocurrency market today, but man, we got a little bit to talk about. Oh, look at Waddy, the crypto hunter, up early this morning, hanging out with us, hanging out with the DGs, hanging out, baby. Yo, Waddy, hell of a space last night, man. I don't know what you did to me, man. Threw me out there again, but you know what? There's some crazy people out here in this space, man. These old crazy ass people out here. But yeah, we got MMAI news coming soon. Got a space today, 12 o'clock, guys. Tune in today. Yeah, Sego, he's on his way to the gym. Waddy Strong. Yeah, I don't know what happened last night. Tim was there. I don't know what the hell happened last night, Tim. I don't know, brother. I don't know. But the man, it wasn't good, man. It wasn't good. It just wasn't good. Big Watch, dude. What's up, dude? Happy Friday to you. Happy Friday to you, brother. Big Watch, dude, is in the building. But yeah, so we gonna get into a little bit today. Oh, Tim, you laughing? You was there. You heard it. You see what happened? Oh man, had to come out of character for a minute. What's up, Selbo, man? I'm glad you back in the morning, man. I hope you're all good. I hope everything's all right, man. I hope you were just taking a little break, man. Hope everything's good with you, man. I was thinking about you the other day. So what we got going on today? Let's get into this whole market situation that we got going on. Let's go ahead and look at this thing. Let's go ahead and talk about this thing on a Friday. You guys know it's Friday. You guys know we don't work. It's we got to worry about how the market opens, but on Fridays, man, it is all about how the market closes because that sets us up for the weekend. So we will look at that in a minute. Hey DG, I got someone on influencer on the phone that wants to talk to you. Yeah, okay. You tell him to DM me, man. Some more XRP strong. Hell yeah, man. We are XRP strong, man. We are XRP strong around here. We do love our XRP here, baby. We love our XRP here, man. We got a little bit of XRP news I think is pretty funny today, but we're gonna go ahead and get into that in a minute. We gotta look at the markets, guys. Markets are all in red. Why? Because this inflation data is starting to come out. It ain't looking too hot. It ain't looking too hot around here, man. It ain't looking too hot around here. And just not looking good. Not looking good. It's up. It's up from last month. Inflation is up from last month, and obviously that's not a good situation. And markets are going to react to that. Coinbase stock continues to dip a little bit down to $83.39. Really liking my buying opportunity with Coinbase. And then we're gonna go ahead and look at Riot. You guys know I'm a big Riot person. I like the Riot blockchain stock, the mining stock. I like where they're at. I like what they're doing. It's at an even $15, guys. $15. Down a little bit from yesterday, but it's gonna run with Bitcoin. As Bitcoin runs, it's gonna run. So I like it. It's a good way to get into the stock market, and it's a good way to get into the stock market with Bitcoin if that's something that you want to do. So I hit it on both sides. I own Bitcoin and I also own Riot stock, so they run together. So when they're down, I'm down twice, and when they're up, I'm up twice. So got to kind of hit it both ways, right? But yeah, see how the Asian markets treated us last night. They treated us not too well. They didn't end the day well, which it's not a big surprise that they didn't end well. See how the European markets treated us. They're treating us. They're up a little bit earlier than we are. So we always like to see where they're at. They're about in the same situation as we are. They're completely red. The pre-markets over here in the United States, we got red, and then basically neutral, right? So looks like it's going to be a tough day in the markets today, at least to start the day. We'll see how everything reacts when the markets themselves wake up. Look at these market caps in crypto, guys. We got about a $1.17 trillion market cap, which is down from yesterday, down about 0.33%. 24-hour trading volume of about 25.42 billion in 24-hour volume, which is down about 16% in a 24 hours. So basically hit the shitter. I don't know how else to put that. The Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index sitting at 51. We're in neutral. People don't know whether to buy. They don't know whether to sell. They don't know what the hell to do. Right now, sitting at 51, sitting at neutral. But we know what to do over here. If it's red, it's a good buying day. If it's green, it's a good profit-taking day. It's about that simple. Daniel out here hitting things on bots. Yo, man. I don't know, man. As soon as somebody changes their voice, they got to get dropped. Mr. P, good morning. How are you, brother? How are you? So yeah. But what do we got trending today, guys? We got Pepe trending up here, the trending token. And we got they're down about 0.27% on a 24-hour. We got Shiba Inu trending, guys. I'm telling you, don't sleep on SHIB. Big weekend coming up. We're going to talk about it. They are up 2.11%, guys, on the 24-hour. And then we got WorldCoin also trending, and they're down about 5.7%. I let you guys know I did not buy WorldCoin. I just can't get on board with what they're doing. I just can't. I can't do it, man. The whole scanning of the retina thing, the whole going to third world countries and giving out tokens to people to scan their retina to build their database. I just can't get down with it, man. I just can't. I mean, tell me I'm leaving money on the table. I'm cool with that, but I just can't do it, man. There's something wrong with that. Ken, good morning. Good morning, TGIF. Ken, TGIF, how are you? How are you? I hope all is good, guys. So what do we got going on in the market today, guys? Bitcoin sitting at $29,365. It's up about 0.09% on the hour and down about 0.5% on the 24-hour, guys. Continues to take a slide backwards. Ethereum sitting at $1,846, up about 0.16% on the hour, down about 0.3% on the 24-hour, guys. So again, a lot of sell pressure there. BNB, $240, down from yesterday, up about 0.1% on the hour, down about 0.65% on the 24-hour. Our boy Big Daddy, what I call the XRP Army, is here, and they are sitting at 63 cents right now, up about 0.09% on the hour, and up about 0.08% on the 24-hour. We'll get into why here in a minute. And loving my XRP family. The XRP Army is in full effect. We are ready. We are ready for this thing to go to the moon. I hope your bags are packed, mine are packed, and I am getting ready. I am on the train. So let's go. Let's get it in. Let's do our thing. Polygon, guys, right here sitting at 68 cents, up about 0.1% on the 24-hour, down about 1.3% on the 24-hour, guys. Polygon. Keep in mind, guys, if you guys have Polygon on the DeFi side, the ticker symbol will change to Poly. I'm not sure what we have to do with that. I'm not sure if they're looking for if they're going to be looking for a conversion on that or not. So understand that this token is going to get updated. I do have mine on a centralized side, so not that worried about it. It all will come over automatically. The changeover will happen, but if you have it on the DeFi side, please stay locked into what's going on over there at Polygon, because they will be changing that ticker symbol, and they probably will be changing what you got to do. You may have to do yourself a conversion. Don't poke my eyes. You ain't lying, Tim. Don't poke my eyes, man. I can't get down with that, man. I just can't get down with that, man. I can't, man. I just can't. XXI Gaming is in the house, man. XXI is in the building. Daniel Dr. Rob. How is it? How is the Neroni? Neroni is doing good, man. Neroni is doing absolutely phenomenal, man. I am high on that project. I really am. I'm really, really high on that project. You guys know I'm invested in Neroni. They got a lot going on. They got a lot coming. They got a lot going on. Man, my Neroni is doing well. We probably pull up that chart here in a minute, because it is on its way back up, XXI, brother. It is on its way back up. So, I'm definitely high on Neroni. Love that development team over there. Love what they're doing. Love where they're going. Love where they're going with that project. So loving what they got going on. So we'll check that in a minute. Brian Dowie, good morning. Happy Friday to you, brother. I hope you're doing well. So good. Happy to have you in the stream on this Friday, man. So but yeah, we definitely like Neroni here. So we'll check that chart. We'll check that chart out here later on in the stream. But it's treating me pretty well, man. It's treating me pretty damn well. But more importantly, I really like that. I really like that development team over there. So what else do we got going on today, guys? So we got the market. Like, we'll continue to go down this market. Shiba Inu, guys, busted through that zero, sitting at 10005, guys. Busted through that zero. See, hopefully it can hang on to it today. Hopefully it hangs on to that zero and continues its upward trend. SHIB has a huge weekend, huge weekend this weekend at that Toronto exhibit. We're going to see what they're going to do with Shibarium at that exhibit. We're gonna see what's going on over there this weekend. If they're gonna launch Shibarium, if they're not gonna launch Shibarium, if they have any updated news. So it's going to be a big weekend for Shib, man. Shib is going to do one or two things, guys. It's either going to take off this weekend or it's going to retrace, depending on what happens at that exhibit. But it damn sure busted through this zero yesterday. It's been on its way up for a long time, a couple weeks now, and it continues to slide up. But not only has Shibarium had tremendous gains over the past week, which is up over the week 16.8%. So hasn't Bone, so hasn't Leash. And the whole ecosystem has been taken off in preparation for this weekend in Toronto, guys. So don't sleep on Shib. Any bullish news that's coming out of that, that's coming out of the event this weekend is going to be big news for the market. Ken, I'm with you, Shib, to the moon, baby. I think the ecosystem is going to take off. I am bullish on Shib's ecosystem, and really liking where they're going. And But let's not make no doubt. Let's not throw Kool-Aid on it. Let's not do anything, guys. Damn, Chris B. Good morning, bro. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's not throw Kool-Aid on it, guys. Gotta have some good news this weekend at the event. Got to, or you're gonna see a retracement, right? If Shib comes out hot, they can yeah, they got to come out hot, and if they come out hot, Tim, they can start the Shiba Inu bull. They can start the Shiba Inu ecosystem bull run, guys. I'm telling you now, Shib, if they come out hot at this event, and they got the news that I think they are going to drop, it's on. It's on. I'm telling you, it's on for Shib. It's on for Bone. It's on for Leash. It's on for all of them guys, man. So it's gonna be good, man. It's gonna be good. I'm telling you. And don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on Shib. So just pay attention. I'm not telling you right now. It's probably not the time to jump into Shib. If you're not already in Shib, it's probably not the time to jump in, as it just busts through the zero. But if you are in and you have a good position and you've been buying early, it's you might have a good weekend. Maybe it's a new website. Brian, man, I knew somebody was gonna throw that joke out there. I knew somebody was gonna play with my emotions on a Friday about Shib, about the countdown to the website. I knew it. I just didn't know who was going to do it. But you know what? We got it as Shib investors. We got to take that one on the chin, because you know what? They did it. That's what they did. But you know what? We got to see what they got this weekend. It's going to be a huge weekend for Shib, though. I got three deals. 3 deals or something to announce. Yeah, no, they got 3 partnerships that they're going to announce this weekend, Ken. 3 partnerships that they're going to announce in Toronto. That's already big news. The 3 partnerships. Well, of course, Brian, you're going to laugh because you had to throw that out there. I knew somebody was going to go there. It was just a matter of who. Daniel, have you used the Neroni bot? Yes. XXI. Yes, I have, brother. Yes, I have. I got into a launch with it, and I was the 3rd buyer on the chart. So it worked as planned. It got me into the project really early. I was messing around with the Neroni bot. So I just threw some money into a crap coin that I knew was going to have some volume on it at launch, and I wanted to see how fast it could get me into the launch. And I was the 3rd buy on the chart. Hey DG, I'm not in that Shib universe. I'm not in that Shib universe any longer, because I sold all of my bone. But I hope it It's you know what, Big Watch. I don't blame people, man. Bone went on a little bit of ride, and a lot of people made a lot of money. I got a lot of bone. So I'm able just to kind of sit back, and I have a price point for my bone. I'll start unloading certain certain amounts at different price levels. But I've been holding SHIB for a long time, man. A long, long time. Probably since the last bull run when I had some left over. And I've been holding it. And when it really dipped down pretty good, I added some more SHIB. So my SHIB bags are pretty good. I did sell out of a lot of my SHIB during the last bull run. But I do hold a good piece of SHIB, and I hold a nice couple nice bags of bone. And we'll see what happens. I might be, if things don't go well this weekend, of course, as investors, we all got to make some decisions. F a new website. Yeah, I'm telling you, Tim, if it's a new website, man, I'm done. Like I said, we got to make some decisions, right? We got to make some decisions. Marty, I don't know what that is. Marty. If you met Shibarium, I think it's coming. I think Shibarium's coming. Maddie, good morning. I think Shibarium's coming this weekend, guys. I really do. They partnered with the three hot dogs. Why do you stop fudding my bag, man? Stop fudding my bag, man. So why do you be hating on shit, man? Why do you listen? I'm gonna put it out there on my live stream right now. Waddy, the crypto hunter, is a SHIB hater. He's a SHIB hater. He hates SHIB. So I'm putting it out there. He hates SHIB. He hates the ecosystem. He doesn't have anything nice to say about SHIB. And I like it because when SHIB takes off and Shibarium takes off, I am going to be the first one taking pictures of my wallet and sending them to Waddy. We'd be wild if the pump drops the next zero. Ooh, Ken, that's a big that's a big challenge there though. That's a big challenge. I don't think that's gonna happen. Yeah, Waddy talking about good morning. Waddy up in here hate on SHIB. We got a SHIB hater in that building. SHIB is a must. SHIB is a must have. I'll tell you guys right now, in my wallet, if I don't have SHIB and Doge, my wallet just doesn't look right. Whether or not the tokens are up, whether or not they're down, it just doesn't look right not having them two in my wallet. I have plenty of bone. Me too, Tim. I loaded up on bone when at the 30-cent level. When I loaded, and I set multiple bags with multiple sell levels, and definitely am loaded up on bone. Bone will be the strongest token in that whole ecosystem. Definitely added to my SHIB. Yeah, XXI. I know you've been DCAing in too. So yeah. They're gonna give you guys bone 2.0. Laughing out loud. There is gonna be a conversion on bone, though, guys. Be prepared for that, because in order for bone to really run that layer 2, it does have to go from a token to a coin. So there is gonna be a conversion on bone at some point. So it will go to a coin. So just keep that in mind as you're holding as you move forward. Bone will have to be converted to a coin. Waddy facts, blue smiling face, blue smiling face. Okay, Waddy. All right, Waddy. Haters can hate. Haters gonna hate, man. Haters gonna hate, man. Wait, but I can't wait to take that picture of my wallet and say, "Yo, don't you wish you had some of this?" Waddy Watts, good morning, man. Happy Friday to you. What is going on? This weekend, this weekend on Shib, this weekend on Shibarium, or Tuesday next week. Waddy Watts, yeah, Shibarium, I think it's coming this weekend, man. I really do. I think they're going to the event. I think it's coming this weekend. So Brian went evil. Waddy went evil. Yo, boy. A little too sake. A little sake. Maddie, yeah. So Shibarium strong, baby. Hell yeah, Seiko. You know that, man. I can't wait for Shibarium. People don't realize how big Shibarium actually could be. You know, I just, you know, I just don't think that people that know, people that don't. And you know, I'm telling you, with if Shibarium drops and it comes out and it's working the way that it should be working, it's going to be probably one of the hottest layer 2s out, man. I sold two Shib, but still have two bags, two bone. All right. I hope Queen is sleeping, Waddy. Yeah, Brian. You know why he ain't talking like that when Queen around. You know, Queen pop him upside his head. But you know, it is what it is. But yeah, so there's Shib, guys. Shib's got a huge weekend ahead of it. Huge weekend. Chainlink, guys, you guys know I'm all about Chainlink, man. I keep increasing my position over there at Chainlink. Chainlink sitting at $7.55. It's up about 0.3% on the 24-hour and down about 1.19% over the 24-hour, but up about 6.15% on the week. Guys, I know people are going to hate to hear this, but nobody has put out as much technology in the past 6 months as Chainlink. When they upgraded to their interoperability, when they did their interoperability upgrade, and then they did they released the price bridge there for the interoperability. I forget exactly what they call it. Nobody has done as much development on their blockchain as Chainlink. That's why you see big, huge whales moving out of Ethereum and coming over to Chainlink, and you see millions and millions of dollars being pumped into this project. It's not by accident. It's literally because Chainlink right now probably is the leader in technology when it comes to developing interoperability on their blockchain, and nobody's even close. I have not seen Two Queen lately. Why they got her sitting in the background, because she be telling Waddy what the deal is. So check out Chainlink. You guys are on Caroline today. Tim Shea's in the building, so you're talking about Caroline. So, but yeah, Chainlink, guys, man, I'm high on Chainlink. I think Chainlink is going to be good. I finally got, believe it or not, I got Crypto Lounge. He's on Chainlink now. He sees what I see. He made a video about it the other day. I called him. We talked about it. I said, "Oh, you finally on the board. You finally on the board." He said, "Yeah." He did his research. He's finally on the board. So, have a good day, Maddie. You too. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. So yeah, Crypto Lounge finally on board, man. So, Brian went. So yeah, so that's good. Let's see. Bone is strong. My bone's strong too. It's Friday night, baby. Everything's all right. Stellar XLM, baby, sitting at 13 cents. Stellar continues to move. It continues to trade sideways, guys, but it had a big move up. You guys got to remember, Stellar had a huge move up not too long ago. So for it to be trading sideways right now is completely understandable. It had a huge move up, went from like 7 cents up to like 15 cents. It's got to trade sideways. It's got to consolidate. It's 0.3% on the hour down. It's up about 0.4% on the 24-hour, guys. So this consolidation period for Stellar is completely, you could have seen it coming with the big move up it had. The good part about it is not losing steam in with the rest of the market, and that lets you know that they're strong and they're holding pat where they're at, guys. So Stellar continues to hang in there, continues to do its thing, guys. So I mean, it's a solid investment. I don't know what else to tell you. If you're in it, you're in it. And if you got in when we told you to get in, or when we suggested that you got in, right around that 5 to 7 cent level, you're probably sitting okay. Aptos, we had an extended conversation about Aptos last night. Aptos hooked up with Microsoft. They're going to introduce some AI into their blockchain. They're also going to look at some CBDC payments and some payment structures. Full disclosure, I am not invested in Aptos, guys. I did buy Aptos. When it launched, and the launch was an absolute disaster. And I seen this thing tank. I bought in as it tanked, sold when I doubled my money, and got out and never really got back in. So I doubled up, got out, but Aptos is definitely up about 0.15% on the hour, and down about 4.3% on the 24-hour, but it's up about 4.67% on the week. You can see the selling pressure starting to come in as the news itself starts to wear off about the Microsoft partnership. This is crypto, guys. News only lasts for a little while, and then the news only lasts for a little while, and then you got to actually produce. So we'll see what that partnership brings. If they can produce out of that partnership, Aptos will be a force to reckon with. But got to put some stuff out, right? Why do you don't hate? You fuck. Why do you don't hate, man? He fuds the hell out of shit, man. He fuds. I just feel like they created hype for everything. Shit creates a lot of hype, and they're usually late on things. And they usually, deliver a little late, but you know what? At the end of the day, that community is strong. Y'all have a great day. Gotta go. All right, Mr. P, man. I'm glad you stopped by. Man. Come back in the morning, man. We gonna talk about a lot of stuff in the morning. We always do. Yeah, the whales. There's a lot of whales and shit, but there's whales in every project, man. Everybody can say that there's whales, but there's whales in every project. Every project has whales. There's just no doubt about it. And I'm just ready to see what the devs do at this point. Yeah, I'm ready to see what they do this weekend. It's a big weekend for them. And how they handle it's going to be huge. It's going to be huge. Quant sitting at 101, guys. Love Quant, love where they're at, love where they're going. You guys know I'm a Quant buyer under $100. Always have been, always will be. I continue to just increase my bag there. I have no plans on selling Quant. To tell you the truth, I don't even have a sell price on Quant, but I just continue to increase my bags every time it drops under $100. And that's kind of like I call that one of my bull run tokens. And when we get to the bull run, we'll see how Quant performs. I think it's going to perform really well. I think it's going to knock it out of the park. And they're not going to be sitting down there at number 41 during the bull run. They're going to be up. So they're going to be up this chart, guys. So when you look at what their supply is versus their market cap versus what they have going on, they're going to make a run. They're going to make a run in the bull run. And I just buy Quant and I just sit on it and wait for the bull run. Chronos, guys, you guys know I'm a huge Chronos fan. Been loading up my bags for about a month now. Love Crow, love where they're at, love where they're going. About 5 cents right now, 5.7 to be exact, up about 0.05% on the 24 hour, and down about 0.46% on the 24 hour, guys. They're up on the hour, down on the 24 hour. So love where Chronos is going. I don't think Crow's dead by any stretch of the imagination. I know some people had their shovels out. Some people still have their shovels out. Some people think that this thing's dead. Some people think it's not going anywhere. Not me. I think this thing is primed and prepped and ready for a run with what they have going on. I think Crow is a growing investment in my wallet. It just grows and grows and grows. The more and more I buy, it just grows and grows. And pretty soon, when that bull run hits or when Crow makes a move, I'm going to be ready to capitalize on that move. See the bubbles don't. The bubbles basically are showing what we're talking about. You see Bone sitting up here up about 0.9% on the day. SHIB sitting here about up about 3% on the day. So, basically what we've just talked about is what's showing in the bubbles. Let's drill down to the hourly. Let's see what's going on right now, right in front of our face as the market wakes up. XDC continues to run, guys, continues to run. XDC has had a hell of a run this month. Hex down another 3.8%. Hex is in trouble when it comes to market cap, when it comes to price, guys. This is another XRP situation where they're just going to keep taking shots on the chin until they can figure out what's going on in court. They're just going to keep taking shots on the chin, and there's really nothing that anybody's going to do about that. The devs aren't going to do anything about that. The community's not going to do anything about that. There's really nothing that they can do until this court case is figured out, man. But XDC has been running all month, guys. This thing is absolutely on the move, has been on the move all month. If you invested early on into this, I think when I started buying XDC, it was right around 3 cents. You're sitting at about a double up right now. It's about 0.0. It's about 6 cents right now, I think. So I'm sitting right about a double up. But this thing's been running pretty hard all month. But I can tell you, the one I say it every time we talk about XDC. XDC has to step its game up, guys. It's got to get on more exchanges. It has to become easier for it to integrate into different wallets. XDC does not make it easy to own, does not make it easy to hold. For the average investor, they just do not make it easy. So Curtis, good morning. What is good, Curtis? What is good, brother? What is good? Happy Friday to you. 2Bit crypto. Good morning. 2Bit. 2Bit's got a Twitter space today. I got to figure out what time. 2Bit, I do have to talk to you about something else as well. Got something for you that I need to talk to you about. So we'll get up today. So 2Bit is in the channel, but XDC, guys, XDC has been running. And like we said, we got in about 3 cents here on this channel. We got in about 3 cents. So you're sitting on a nice double up right now. You're sitting pretty nice. But for the last month, XDC has been absolutely on the move. It has been absolutely running. So I hope you guys if you invested, when we invested, I hope you guys are taking your profits. I hope you guys are taking care of your bags. I hope you're taking care of your, you're taking care of your wallets and securing your investment. Because you remember, what runs will come down, guys. What runs will come down. So make sure you're taking care of your bags. Make sure you're taking care of your wallet. And remember, you don't have money in crypto until it's in your bank account, guys. So make sure you're taking care of that. XDC, yeah, XXI. I know we've been talking about XDC off and on for a little bit. I know you're in. My XDC in my decent wallet. Yeah, I know there's certain wallets that XDC is really good with. I just would love to see XDC on more exchanges. I would love to see them on more centralized exchanges. I'd love to see them make it a little bit easier for you guys, for everybody else to be able to integrate themselves into integrate their tokens into some of these bigger wallets. I think it would help with adoption of XDC. I really believe that. But maybe over time that's where they're headed. But yeah, I mean, we know how it goes, Tim. The easy use for people, the ease of trade for people, you'll always get more volume that way. Always. Tim, can you have XDC in different wallet, or is it XDC is supported in some wallets, it's not supported in others? I actually hold my XDC on a centralized exchange, and you guys know how I feel about that. But we'll just leave that right there. So let's go ahead. Let's get into some of this little bit of news that we have on a Friday. There's not a ton of news, but we'll go ahead and we'll cover some of this stuff that we have going on. Bittrex, guys, reaches a settlement with the SEC, agrees to pay $24 million in fines, obviously for selling unregistered securities on their exchange. Here's another example of somebody who did not have enough money to go ahead and fight the SEC for their view of what was a security and what was not a security. So they had no choice but to take the settlement and agree to a bankruptcy, guys. So Bittrex did settle with the SEC for $24 million. And this is a prime example of what we were talking about yesterday, where some of these projects, it's easier for them just to take the settlement and file for bankruptcy rather than spend all of their money in these legal battles with the SEC, who have an endless supply of money, and because we pay taxes on it, and they have an endless supply, and they can just keep dragging you back and forth to court. So this is another example of that. I hold my 9-inch wick every night. Oh, okay. Yeah, that is cool. So glad to hear that XRP is a security. Oh, really? Oh, glad. Sorry to hear you feel that way, man. The 9-inch wick. Yeah. So yeah. Sorry to hear that. Sorry you think that XRP is a security. I don't. I think we're good. Damn, Tim. Bernie. Is that Bernie? Bernie playing around with me? So yeah, Bittrex, guys, again, unfortunately had to file for bankruptcy, unfortunately had to settle with the SEC for $24 million. But this is what happens. They go after these exchanges that they know can't stand up for themselves, they know can't fight. And then they run across Coinbase and they run across XRP, who have an endless supply of money and who just does not give a damn about spending that money to prove that they're right. And then they get it handed to them, right? If you are invested in Sandbox, guys, understand that Sandbox transferred $60 million of sand ahead of Monday's $133 million token unlock, guys. So you got $133 million of sand token that is getting ready to be unlocked on Monday. And you know what I always say about an unlock, guys. Everything that's locked has to become unlocked, and everything that's unlocked eventually ends up on an open market. So you're looking at about $133 million of tokens that are about to be unlocked. So I would expect a lot of sell pressure on sand come Monday, probably over the whole weekend. There's going to be a lot of sell pressure, but a whole lot of sell pressure on sand come Monday. When you throw $133 million of tokens back into the market, you cannot expect all of them tokens to be relocked. There will be some sell pressure on sand. So if you own sand at all, be aware of this and make your trading decisions according to what you know and what you guys believe, right? XRP, baby. XRP market cap. This is funny right here. XRP market cap zoomed. You guys gotta understand, XRP got relisted on Gemini yesterday. And me being from New York, I do have a Gemini account, so I did get this email, guys, about XRP coming out, being relisted on Gemini, and another email that quickly followed that said that it was open for trading. And what was funny is as they started to inject their liquidity on the Gemini exchange and people started to realize what was going on, there was a ton of buy pressure over on Gemini for XRP, and the price ballooned up to $1.50, guys. So if you want to see what XRP looks like at $1.50, you got a quick glance of that last night, yesterday, during this rollout. XRP rolled up to $1.50 and absolutely created a shitstorm of conversation on social media. But yes, it did. If you wanted to see what XRP looked at, so anybody who had a bet that XRP would go up to $1 this year actually won this bet because it was sitting at $1.50 yesterday for about 5 minutes. So for about 5 minutes. So you guys got a glimpse of what it looked like, for at XRP sitting at $1.50. So it set Twitterverse on fire, guys. It really did. Everybody was talking about it. It was big talk, but the charts right here, guys, XRP. And you see it got right around that $1.50 mark last night, just for a split second, and then it started to step ladder back down to level itself off. But this was all about Gemini. This was all about Gemini listed XRP. It was all about them guys. The huge amount of volume that was over on Gemini really made this thing go haywire for a second until the market maker kicked in and went ahead and leveled the price off. But yeah, so we got up to $1.50 yesterday. So anybody, as a quick tidbit, anybody who said that XRP would get to $1 this year, you go ahead, collect your money on your bet. It got there for like a second. U.S. inflation rate raised about 3.2%, guys. This is what's tanking the markets that we looked at earlier. Inflation rate is up to about 3.2%. So unfortunately, we have to get this thing down. We have to get this inflation rate down to 2%, guys, and it's far from 2%, and it rose to 3.2%, which is 0.2% higher than it was last month. So we're trending in the wrong direction this month, guys. The wrong direction here in the United States. So we do have to get this inflation rate down to 2% before they're going to quit raising interest rates. We at least have one more report coming out before we get it. We have to realize what the next interest rate is going to be, if there is one. And I'm telling you, if this inflation data comes back and we are still on the uptrend, we will get another interest rate increase. If we get another interest rate increase, guys, it's going to rock the markets even worse, even harder than the other one did. And I don't think that is priced into the market. I think that if you look at what all the charts and all the surveys say, is that the market is pricing in a zero rate increase for the next Fed meeting, is where the markets are pricing things in at. And if we get another next month, if this inflation rate goes up again, and the markets have to turn around and price in a rate increase into the market, you're going to start to see things tank. You're going to start to see things come down in a way, and it's not going to be a subtle decrease like a step ladder. It's going to decrease the market quite significantly. We are far away from a 2% rate increase. So I know that the Fed said that there was 2 rate increases that were coming. The last Fed meeting and maybe one more this Fed meeting. But if we keep trending in this direction, we may see more than 2. Hey DG, I bet exchanges screwed people trying to cash out. Oh, they did, man. They did, Big Watch. They shut down trading quick. It hit my stop loss. I got out at 11. So you guys are talking about shorting something. But yeah, Big Watch, I bet they did screw the investors. All of a sudden the exchange was broke. You couldn't buy, you couldn't sell. All of a sudden we were having problems. It rallied to 16 cents. And in 1 hour after your stream, bro. Okay. You guys must be talking about that pond token. So, but yeah, this inflation data, guys, it definitely gonna play a role in where we're headed. Let's go back here. Let's look and see what these markets are doing again. Let's see where we're gonna open up the morning. Let's see how we're gonna take care of some of this stuff, guys. So we got HEX still sitting there. Not a lot has changed in the market. We go ahead and let's take a look at this market cap. Still sitting at 1.17 trillion. We are still sitting there, guys. We're just kind of hanging there. I think we're going to hang there all day. I think Friday is going to be a sideways trading day, and I think this weekend's going to kind of be either sideways or down. But SHIB has the potential to run all by itself, depending on what it does in Toronto, baby. So, with that, let me tell you guys, go check out, you guys know we talk about Mr. Jin here. Go ahead, check out Mr. Jin and their NFT project and what's going on. There's 8% sales tax over there. They've increased their tax on their Jin 8%. 8% is going to be coming back to the NFT holders as passive income. So go ahead and take a look at that particular project. Stewie meme coins, another good one. Low market cap. Pump some money into that. You'll pump the charts up pretty quick. Very low market cap, very low holder count, guys. And a meme token that could really take off. So at any given moment in time. So go ahead and take a look at that too. So Neroni, guys. Neroni's another one. Great project. Lot of good stuff going on over there at Neroni. I can tell you guys, you're not going to want to miss what's coming up. They got the sniper bot out right now, getting ready to go into a full-fledged trading bot here pretty soon. So you might want to check that out. And it's very cost-effective as well. So great buying opportunity. Great buying opportunities in the market. Yes, there is tremendous buying opportunities in the market, XXI. Another token that I'm big on that we don't talk a lot about on here, but every once in a while is Jasmy. Take a look at Jasmy. Do some research on Jasmy. We talk a little bit about it here and there, but I am big on Jasmy. I have been loading up on Jasmy, and I think Jasmy is going to have a huge run in the bull market. Love what they're doing. They have a lockup that's coming in the fourth quarter. We don't know how many tokens they're going to lock up, but they do have a lockup coming in the fourth quarter, which should give them guys some good price action. But I am a big Jasmy fan, guys, and I have been loading up on Jasmy. And if you have not done your research on Jasmy and have not looked into Jasmy and not looked at what they're doing with internet, with the computer side and the blockchain technology on computers, and being able to lock your own data, own your own data, and do some blockchain computing, then you're probably missing some pretty good reads of some information. We try to review them as much as we can as far as video wise goes. But Jasmy, loving Jasmy right now, guys. Yes, Tim, we know you like Jasmy, man. You're in with Jasmy too. I use 5x leverage trading. You guys are still talking about trade. But yeah, Tim, I know you're in with Jasmy. I know XXI loves Jasmy. I love Jasmy, man. I'm big on Jasmy, guys. It's at a great price right now. The last time I checked, it was sitting at like 3.7. On its way to 3.9. So it may have reached 3.9 already. Let's go ahead and have a look real quick. Go ahead and have a real quick look. See what's going on. It did. It reached 3.9. 2 double zeros 3.9, guys. Double zeros 3.9. You see it starting to move up a little bit. I definitely think Jasmy has potential, guys. Jasmy has a lot of potential. And I really like where they're going and what they have going on over there. So a lot of potential with Jasmine. A lot of potential. And not to mention the dev of Jasmine is the ex is an ex CEO, I believe, of Sony. So not small change, man. Not small change. Bernie is Jasmine single. She said, "Hey, if you bought enough of them, you might be able to get her single." I bought my mom's about my mom's some Jasmine. You got your mom some Jasmine? Yeah. I mean, I like Jasmine. She's hot. She is. She on fire. Look at her. She on fire, Bernie. She on fire. She hot, man. But this Kendra knows about oh Waddy. Nice XXI. Touche, Waddy shh. Oh man, you guys got jokes. But yeah, so Jasmine's, I hold Jasmine in high regards, guys. I keep buying. I'm good. Think it's gonna run on the bull run. Got a lot going on for it. Got a lot of good people on that dev team, and a lot of times that's what it's about, having good people on your dev team, right? Got to have good people in there. Got to have good technology. Got to have great marketing, right? So make sure make sure all them things are put together, and then you have a great project, right? You got people developing, you got people marketing, and you have great leadership, and that's what you need to be successful. And Jasmine has all of them. So minus any one of them, you'll probably fail. So Jasmine's good, but the market looks about the same as when we started, guys. It is Friday. I have a ton of meetings to get to. I am going to get out of here. The market still looks like absolute crap today, guys. We'll see if this thing turns around as the market, as the marketing is key. Marketing is always key. XXI marketing is key in everything. You can have the best. I tell everybody, you can have the best technology in the world, but if nobody knows you exist, your technology isn't worth a crap. So, with that, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I got some meetings I gotta get ready for this morning. I got some stuff I gotta take care of. It is Friday. Chris, Waddy, Tim, thank you guys. See you guys later. Take it easy. Have a great weekend, guys. I may stream. I may come at you guys and stream this weekend. May have some stuff going on this weekend. I may get at you guys with some streams. If not, I do have some videos coming out that I'm working on. So I just need to put them all together. They will be out. They're going to come out, guys. Don't forget, today at noon, there is a Twitter space with Dr. Rob for MMAI, guys. So make sure that you're there. We're going to talk about that. We're going to get into a little bit of that. And then I think 2Bit has a Twitter space today. I believe him talk. I believe I heard him talking about it. And I can tell you guys that that he does have something going on Twitter today, I believe. We do have that coming. And I believe that he said that this is only his second one. So it's going to be interesting to see what's up, but 2Bit can handle it. So if he has one today, yes, MMAI, go check out their Discord, go check out the project, guys. So MMAI stream today is at 12 noon, Ken. 12 noon Eastern Standard Time, guys. But yes, definitely go check out MMAI's Discord. Go check out what they have going on over there. A lot of exciting stuff coming up real soon, right around the corner for MMAI, guys. So we will be here. We will be covering it. We will be taking care of it. So we will be we'll be on it. So is that 2Bit, Tim? Is that 2Bit's Twitter space, or is that Docs? Oh, that's Docs. That's Docs. So MMAI strong. Yeah. Chris, MMAI is they're going to come out swinging here in a little while. We just, I'm trying to tamper everybody's expectations, right? I think we owe that to the community. Got to tamper everybody's expectations. Got to put everything back to reality here about where we are, and tamper everybody's expectations. Elmo, good morning. We are just getting off, everybody. Elmo. But I know you've been busy. Man. So YouTube is this 2-bit. So yeah, I think so. So you guys have a good morning. We are on it, guys. We are on it. There's 2-bit right there, guys. There's 2-bit right there. There is 2-bit. Tim just put the link in the chat. Go click on that link, guys. We have got 2-bit's channel, and also we got to get on that Twitter space with 2-bit today. Got to go show that support. Got to go show that support to 2-bit, guys. Got to make sure that he knows that we are all in it with him. His second Twitter space, he said. So let's go ahead and support him. And please give me the highlights. Elmo, the highlights are simple. Bit not a lot, just that XRP got listed on Gemini. The price spiked up to $1.50 for a quick second, dropped down. Market doesn't look good today on either side, crypto or the stock market. All looks like it's down. Inflation is up, which is tanking the stock market a little bit. Not a lot of great stories in crypto right now. Seems kind of dormant right now. So not a lot going on. XRP lawsuit again. Just sitting there waiting to see if Judge Torres is going to even entertain this appeal. It's about it. But Bittrex did settle with the SEC for 20-something million. And if you are invested in Sandbox, that they have $133 million coming unlocked on Monday. So you better go ahead and protect your investment. $133 million coming out of Sandbox. That's getting ready to be unlocked out of Sandbox on Monday. So if you have any money in Sandbox at all, go ahead, protect your investment, do what you guys got to do with that. But just know that that's coming unlocked. So, highlights, Caroline. Oh, and SHIB, we got huge SHIB news coming. Huge SHIB news this weekend. SHIB is at the Toronto Expo. So we are looking for updates on Shibarium and where that is and where that's going. Crypto G, good morning. How are you? We're looking at that big SHIB Expo in Toronto, see if we can get some price action on the SHIB ecosystem. And obviously we talked about Neroni. Obviously we talked about the bot. Obviously we talked about the great price action that they're having right now, and the fact that the dev team and the rest of the team are absolutely phenomenal, and they keep rolling things out in a manner that is absolutely good. And we talked about MMAI in the Twitter spaces today and how close we are to the rollout of the technology. So covered a lot. So that's the quick recap. Everybody have a great Friday. Everybody go make some money. Everybody trade safe. Take your damn profits and don't be like Bernie and get rugged. Everybody have a great day. I'll see you guys maybe this weekend, but if not this weekend, definitely Monday morning. And then we'll have a whole hell of a lot to talk about when it comes to Shibarium, when it comes to Toronto, and we will be getting it in and SHIB with SHIB on Monday. Be safe, be smart, don't get rugged, guys, and don't be like Bernie. Take your profits. I'm out. See you later.